another vlog. It's been a minute since we have, chatted vlogs. Jonathan and I are here at Jollibee in Panorama City. They have a new spicy chicken sandwich. And then we also have other food too. But this is definitely like the star of the show. Ooh, check that out. Nice, like, thick kind of bun. You have the chicken, the dressing. I love how it has the jalapenos inside. I think that's what really, sparked my curiosity. And overall, it smells spicy. Ooh. That's got some heat. Okay. It has some heat. I think this would be a little bit too spicy for my parents.
Got some nice flavor in it.
Yeah. Flavorful. There are two different kinds. There's just the original chicken sandwich. And then there's this one. Damn, this is good. But I think I should stop eating it because we do have some other.
I took one bite. It must be good.
It is good.
It looks like you're enjoying yourself.
Oh, it's hot. Hold on. My mouth is burning. Pineapple juice. In here. Wait a second, mine's supposed to have palabok.
Oh.
That's okay.
I guess I ordered spaghetti.
That's okay.
I didn't say palabok, I said spaghetti.
Oh, you did? Oh, that's okay. Filipino spaghetti, and then 2 spicy chicken joy. Chicken. Now we have the spicy chicken joy and the gravy. Ooh. We are in Valencia trying out flying our brand new drone. This is the DJI Mini 2. We literally just got this yesterday. I watched all these videos last night, like how-to videos, practice and see, what this baby can do. It is small. Like, check this out. This is how small it is. It's tiny. It's like a tiny little thing, right? Kind of take off the strap. And you have the propellers. I believe you first... Yes. No. Hold on. Front wings, the back ones, and then you take off this little cap right here. Protects the camera. This does film in 4K. You also need to put the battery. Ended up getting the bundle because the bundle contains 2 extra batteries and some other stuff too. It came with a carrying case and all that, but I just keep everything in my Blvd camera backpack because it's very convenient. I love this backpack. I'm actually planning on filming a whole review on it. So it comes with this little 3-pack. Very first real flight, practice flight that is. Found it was a little bit easier if I didn't have my case on. Here's the controller, and the controller is slightly larger than the actual drone itself. I just switched out the mic because DJI 4 Duo mic, which is the one I use, it doesn't do the best when there's wind. Anyway, I was saying that at the very bottom you have the parts for the joystick. So you want to pop it off, screw it on to the controller. I don't know how this turned into like a how to set up your DJI Mini 2. Take this, and inside you have a cord right here, and you're going to take this part, unwind it, and then place your phone, plug it in. So I already installed the DJI Fly app last night, and it downloaded all of the updates and everything because I heard there were so many glitches, like people were losing signal, the signal would drop. So they said the new firmware updates completely fixed everything, so hopefully that's good. You know what, let's actually move now. Hopefully you guys will still be able to hear me. Wish me luck. learning the basics. This is the exact moment when I realized something was about to go down. Let me tell you what happened. I literally almost shit my pants. So I was trying out the quick shots. I was able to do the circle where it basically circles around you, and then it did the boomerang. And I know it did say something on the screen, like to check, make sure there are no obstacles, because with the Mini 2, it doesn't have the sensors, like if you're gonna bump into something, because it is such a small drone. Went away from me, it like went around, and once it started going around, it went a little bit farther and farther, and there are like trees up above, and they're like pretty high. Let me see if I can share with you. Going in that tree up there. Oh my gosh, let me tell you. I woke him up because he was taking a nap. I was like, Jonathan, Jonathan, Jonathan. I crashed it into the tree, and luckily it wasn't very high. It was, you know, maybe about 8 feet high. So he threw my shoe up there to get it down, and thankfully he was able to get it down, but that just literally scared the crap out of me because this is my very first flight. And then look what happened. I mean, this is like how scared I was. My pony is like, it's falling off, girl. It's like how scared I was. Like I was like, what the hell, we just got this yesterday and here I am crashing it into a tree. So the wind has kind of picked up a little bit, so I can see that the wind is definitely pushing the drone a little bit, especially when we get up a little bit higher, but it's not that bad, but I can definitely tell a difference from earlier. Second time flying the drone, although we didn't use any of the quick shots. It was okay. Feeling of using the joystick really reminds me of the PlayStation controller, and honestly, I am the worst when it comes to playing PlayStation because I get really disoriented whenever I use the joystick when, you know, I play Call of Duty. The very rare times I've played Call of Duty. Let me know if anybody else is there with me or am I the only one? But that's kind of where I am right now with the drone. I mean, granted, this is only my second time flying the drone. When I see it in sight, that's when I'm most comfortable. Not even looking at it on the screen because for some reason I need to physically see it, maybe, you know, because it is so new to me. Now, in regards to the quick shots, doing any of the circle, the boomerang, I think there's helix, there's like a few other things. I really want to try it, but I think just with that one experience of having the boomerang feature, you know, just not happen the way how I thought it would happen, you know, it crashed into a tree. It makes me really weary to try it again. Especially in an area where there are trees. I still need to really gauge how far some of these settings go. It's definitely going to take me some time to get the hang of the drone. So far, you know, I gotta say I do like it. With the other drones that I've seen, I was very hesitant just because they are a lot larger, they're a lot heavier, and this one, it's 249 grams, so it is a very small little drone. Okay, so we had to stop by Cozy Tea and Juice. Jonathan wanted some boba, although He got a taro smoothie. He didn't get any boba. Neither did I. But we both did get a taro smoothie, except mine has lychee coconut jelly. Delicious. I didn't get boba this time. I've just been really craving like the lychee texture. We are home. We actually already took a nap. We were both tired because last night we did sleep really late. Actually, I only got like 2 hours of sleep last night because I was watching all these YouTube videos on like how to, you know, fly the drone and stuff. So now, you know, I'm just putting everything away. But overall, today was a fun day. It was really fun. I guess really, you know, we gotta just play around with the drone and everything. Jonathan did also try out the drone. However, he flew it really well. He flew it up to the max height, which was, I think, 400 or 380 feet up in the air, and that's the time when it was a little bit windier. He felt completely fine flying it up that high, and he said, oh yeah, you know, I can see it here on the screen. Like, aren't you nervous that it might get lost? And then he did have it go back to the home. Like, he pressed the button to have it go back home, and he flew that thing with ease. It really just comes down to like getting comfortable and getting the feel of it. So I think tomorrow we're gonna go back to the park because the weather's supposed to be nice, and just keep practicing. Did not watch the Super Bowl, by the way. We only were able to catch the halftime. Like, we literally made it in home right as the halftime was starting with the weekend. So hope you enjoyed hanging out today and just this whole first experience of flying the drone. We will get to like, you know, the expert level one day. That is like my goal. But hope you guys had a great day. Comment below if you guys have a drone. What kind of drone do you have? Have you flown a drone? And like, if you've flown a drone, and if you have any stories or suggestions, any tips and tricks, please leave them below because I'm all ears out for any suggestions that you may have. Hope you enjoyed hanging out today, and we always appreciate you, you know, taking time out of your day to hang out with us for a bit. If you enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and we will see you in the next video.